How to convert Google Docs to PDF. Let's get started. First, head towards the document that you want to convert to the PDF. Launch it. Make the necessary changes, and once we're done with the editing part, now what you have to do is, when you save this document, you'll need to select PDF instead of Docs. So click on the option file given at the top left. Now head over to the option download. With that, you're gonna get different options. You can convert it to ODF, text, PDF, HTML. From this list, you can select any of it. But as you want to convert it to PDF, select the option PDF. And you can see that the docs file will be converted into the PDF and it will be saved. So this way you can easily convert a doc file to PDF. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.